Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Basecamp app if it's not opening on your computer or mobile device. If the app won't launch, freezes on startup, or closes immediately after opening, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. First, completely close the Basecamp app and restart your device. Yeah, a simple restart can clear temporary system glitches and background processes that may be preventing the app from opening properly. Next, check your internet connection. Basecamp relies on an active connection to load your projects and synchronize data, so make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network before opening the app again. If the problem continues, check for updates. Open the Microsoft Store, App Store, or Google Play Store, depending on your device, and install the latest version of the Basecamp app. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that resolve startup issues. Another helpful step is to clear the app's cache if your device supports it, or sign out and sign back in to refresh your account session. On desktop, you can also try opening Basecamp in a different web browser to determine whether the issue is related to the app or your account. If none of these solutions work, uninstall the Basecamp app, restart your device, and install the latest version again. This replaces any damaged application files and often resolves persistent startup problems. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the Basecamp app when it's not opening. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.